Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm absolutely buzzing after the first one. Can't believe the response. So much more than I could have ever expected, to be honest. Before we get going this morning, I'm going to jump into a quick bike check. Currently this year I'm on the Aethos Pro 23 model, and she's a beauty. This model is just below the S-Works model. Absolutely love this thing. Oh. S-Works bars. Running the Wahoo bike computer. Supercars bar tape. I was running 26-inch tyres before, just changed over onto Turbo Cotton 28. So I'm looking forward to seeing how they go today. Roval Alpinist wheels. DT Swiss hub. SRAM Force group set. Look pedals. Specialized power saddle. Alpinist C-tube. Quick bike check done, let's go. As I should have mentioned in the last video, is every Sunday hopefully we're going to get a video right now. Getting out during the week, all well and good, but definitely every Sunday hopefully be a video getting out. I'm not sure what time to put it out at. Early Sunday morning before people get out in the spin, you know, having a coffee, might have a quick look. Or Sunday lunchtime, still not sure. Second thing, should have said I'm actually based in Kilkenny. I don't think I said that. So, we're blessed here in Kilkenny because have some absolutely great routes. Go any direction. 5 minutes from my house, mountain roads like this. Plan today then is roughly 90k. So going from Kilkenny, Gorn, Dungarvan, Inistioge, Mulnava, back home then. We normally go from Gregnamanagh up Cupna. It's always the way I used to go, but from Dungarvan you can get up there as well, so we're gonna get up that today, a little spy at it. So let's get going. About 17k in coming into Gorn. We're lucky in Kilkenny that there holds a Ross and a Bawn every year. Gorn is one of the little villages where it's a finish line. It's on an incline, it's actually a great finish. Great to watch. Straight past Gorn, up to Cupna. Whoa! This will be fun. We are going climbing. Ah, she's a doozy. Man, I was thinking at some stage to make a video doing the Everesting. This looks like it could be pretty decent. Straight up, straight down. Not much traffic, country road. This could be perfect. Let's check the elevation on this one. Hey lads. Up into the clouds. I think the highest grade was 12.4. Something like that. I think it was a bit dramatic at the start, but Jesus Christ, I'm still blowing through my hole. what it's about. We're off to the Stieg. Gorgeous little town. Absolutely beautiful. Actually see it now, probably coming out in the Duns ad. They use the town in their Christmas ad with the round tower in it. Lovely little spot. Another little doozy of a hill in it as well though, Woodstock Hill. Oh, notorious. Woodstock Hill. Straight into the Help Me Jesus gear. We go to snack at the minute, a few peanuts. Today is flame grilled steak. Oh, delicious. I don't know what everyone's go-to snack is on a cycle. I'm always experimenting. Drop it in the comments, let us know what you're having. So, just got to Mullinavat. 54k. A lovely clean bike to stride, lads. Anyway, straight road back into Kilkenny. Normally a good road for cyclists, so hopefully we'll might meet a train of them and get a lift home. Leaving out the old flags on the locks. Let's go! So just home now with 90k in the bag. Tough, plenty of climbing, but really enjoyed it. Weather held up. Going in now to smash a sausage butty because I am starving. Second one done now. Happy out, feeling a bit more comfortable with it. Still learning. Every day is a learn day at the minute with this thing. So definitely going to keep going with it. I'm going to push it. I'm going to get out, see Ireland. Some epic rides we get out doing. Next week we're up in the shop, going to do a gravel ride. First time in a gravel bike, can't wait. Looking forward to it. So that should be good. We'll have a little peek around the shop. I'm gonna have a look at that SL8. Holy God, lads. What a bike. I'm in love anyway. I don't know how I'm gonna get one, but I'm gonna try to get one. Oh, love it. Anyway, thanks again. On to the next one. Slán. See ya.